Starting around 27 July 2023, torrential slide for the most part is exchanging at $13.15 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in every way that really matters. Most recent 60 minutes kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Avax most certainly has a fundamentally complete market cap of $4,547,705,664, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $94,311,554 in a genuinely large manner. This explicitly makes torrential slide Avax really positioning at 18 in the cryptographic money market, which for the most part is very critical. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023, what will torrential slide in every practical sense be really worth in 2023, which by and large is very critical? Is torrential slide a very wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in a truly significant manner? Will Avax cost in every way that really matters outperform its unequaled high? Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, these by and large are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2023. As per the torrential slide gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost explicitly is supposed to cross a normal value level of $16.06, the normal especially least value worth of torrential slide, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to generally be $15.41, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, Avax can by and large arrive at an especially greatest value level of $17.19. Avalanche value estimate July 2023. The essentially normal cost of torrential slide Avax could explicitly go to $13.72 toward the finish of July 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Avax could generally be exchanging around an exceptionally greatest worth of $14.11, with the genuinely least expected cost of $12.55, or so they generally thought. Torrential slide Avax value expectation August 2023. The cost for torrential slide in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $13.62 and $14.80. Showing the way that Avax could essentially be exchanging around a fundamentally greatest worth of $14.11, with the very least expected cost of $12.55 in a quite enormous manner, while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $14.27 in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide value estimate September 2023. The especially normal cost of torrential slide Avax could truly go to $14.84. Toward the finish of September 2023, which especially is very huge. Avax could generally be exchanging around and in every practical sense, most extreme worth of $15.37, with the exceptionally least expected cost of $14.19, which truly is very huge. Torrential slide Avax value conjecture October 2023. The torrential slide Avax cost for October 2023 may really arrive at an in every practical sense, least worth of $14.49, while the especially greatest estimated cost for the most part is around $15.96, which is very critical. The typical cost for Avax for the most part is basically anticipated to reach $15.14 in October 2023, which especially shows that the really normal cost for Avax truly is for the most part anticipated to by and large reach $15.14 in October 2023 in a kind of enormous way. Torrential slide value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of torrential slide truly is supposed to for the most part be at around a by and large least of $14.79 in a kind of significant manner. Torrential slide cost can really arrive at a limit of $16.57. With the very normal cost of $15.44 in United States dollars, or so they especially thought. Torrential slide value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the greatest cost for torrential slide could stretch around $17.19, or so they sort of thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of Avax in December 2023 truly is $15.41 with a by and large normal cost of $16.06. Avalanche fundamentally passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the crypto essentially has been fundamentally diminished by 1.25% in its most certainly current worth, exhibiting that torrential slide of Avax value expectation 2023. As per the torrential slide gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax value is supposed to cross a normal value level of $16.06, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of torrential slide, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to be $15.41 in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we certainly look at the fundamentally current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap by and large is likewise down, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Torrential slide truly is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. The Avax for the most part is down to nearly 5.37% in the absolute most recent 7 days, so these explicitly are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, which certainly is genuinely huge. The coin essentially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for past essentially couple of days. The coin could have serious areas of strength for certainly yet. We don't for the most part imagine that it would have productive resource in extremely present moment, showing how starting around 27 July 2023 torrential slide in every practical sense is exchanging at $13.15 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive way. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of Avax fundamentally diminished by 38.112%, taking out an incredible truly normal amount of $8.09 from its exceptionally current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a good truly purchase a valuable open door for speedy speculation, exhibiting that the coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for past, by and large couple of days. The coin could basically have serious areas of strength for of yet. We don't essentially feel that it would have productive resource in present moment, showing how starting around 27 July 2023 torrential slide truly is exchanging at $13.15 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09%. In for the most part most recent 60 minutes, or so they thought. The 90 days cost change basically is near 26.11%, and the cost generally flowed from a least really normal cost of $16.54 to truly most extreme exceptionally normal cost of $18.27 in the fundamentally beyond 90 days in a enormous manner. In essentially most recent 4 months torrential slide by and large has shown a developing pattern, or so they generally thought. Consequently, we in every practical sense imagine that comparative pieces of the market especially were very famous